Unlocking the power of using it as a lever. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in English conversations or readings, using it as a lever. This expression is a powerful tool in both literal and figurative language, and understanding it can significantly enhance your comprehension and usage of English. So, let's explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's important for language learners like you. First things first, let's break down the literal meaning of using something as a lever. A lever is a simple machine consisting of a rigid bar resting on a pivot, used to help move a heavy or firmly fixed load with one end when force is applied to the other. In its most basic form, this phrase means to use a physical object to gain an advantage or to make it easier to move something else. Example: imagine you're trying to lift a heavy rock. By inserting a long stick under the rock and pushing down on the other end, you're using the stick as a lever to lift the rock more easily. Moving beyond the literal, using it as a lever often appears in conversations and writings in a figurative sense. Here, it symbolizes the use of an advantage, tool, or situation to achieve a goal, solve a problem, or influence someone or something. Example: in negotiations, a person might use information as a lever to influence the outcome in their favor. This doesn't involve physical levers, but the concept of leveraging an advantage remains the same. Understanding phrases like using it as a lever is crucial for language learners for several reasons. Enhances comprehension. You'll encounter metaphors and idiomatic expressions in various contexts, from literature to everyday conversations. Improves fluency. Knowing how to use these expressions makes your English sound more natural and fluent. Cultural insight. It offers a glimpse into how English speakers think and communicate, reflecting problem-solving and negotiation strategies. We hope this exploration of using it as a lever enriches your understanding of English. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about the creative and strategic ways we use these tools to express ideas and solve problems. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use what you've learned today in your conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.